Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. We're going to take a macroscopic look. We're going to zoom out on the chart of AMC and see if we can find something that would be useful for us moving forward in the next month, 2, even up to 3 months. We're going to take a look at the monthly candles and also the 3-month candles. So stick around until the end. I think this is a powerful video that may use as useful for you here in the short term. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action, TA. Thank you for understanding that. Okay, and let's not waste time. If you hear any noise in the background, festivities close to July, so 4th of July. So let's not waste time. Let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? So today's July the 4th. Yeah, so 2021. Happy holidays to everyone who celebrates it. And the previous close of AMC is going to be $51.96, slightly negative, approximately 4.1% for the day. Okay. All right, welcome back, everyone. ASMR, interesting analysis. So what I'm going to focus your attention on in this video, monthly candles, and we have something called the per tab. All right, don't Google this. It's not, Google doesn't know about this, but here it is. And I'll explain what it means, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, the per tab is simply means that after you find a macroscopic, that's ideal, okay? Macroscopic consolidation range, which is all the way down here. We're looking at the $1.92 range. This is not a video insinuating the market is going to $1, okay? All the way up to $5.82, kind of this range. The monthly candles bodies are pretty obviously outlined in this range. Okay, 192. Then boom, you get this nice green candle to break out of the consolidation range. Those who follow me closely know the first thing that we do is, well, not one of the first things, right, is going to be to find your consolidation range. Okay, which was down here. Really nice. All right. Now, when you get the breakout, what could take place is the per tab. Now the per tab is just a weird abbreviation that I came up with. I didn't want to spell it out, guys. It's just a previous resistance test after a breakout. So that simply means that, remember, you find your consolidation range, you get the breakout, and then you get the per tab. Okay, previous resistance test after a breakout. All right, so that's what the per tab. Patent pending there, guys. Don't try to take that from me. You can have it, guys. It's weird. I don't think you're gonna get much of that, but who knows? Good luck. All right, so after you get the per tab, then the market continues higher. I'm explaining all of this for a reason. Hopefully we're all clear. We just did an explanation of what happens after you find a consolidation range. All right, you find a consolidation range, and then you get a breakout, and then you get the per tab. Okay, I'm explaining that kind of over and over because once we zoom out, remember, when you're in doubt, zoom out, and it makes more sense. Now what we're going to do is take a look at the big boy charts, or the big boy candlesticks, rather. All right, and actually calm down a bit, and let's see if we can zoom out here. All right, so here's what you're looking at. The $35 level is just simply measuring the per tab. That's it, guys. Okay, take it easy there, apes. 3-month candles. All right, beautiful. So what we did was we looked at it from a kind of a miniature time frame on the monthly candles, not miniatures, monthly, and we also located a consolidation range. Okay, the consolidation range on this big boy chart is going to be about, what is that? Like at $2.24, reaching as high as $36. Okay, very large consolidation range where we got the breakout. Okay, and potentially we get a per tab incoming. Okay, reaching as low as $36. All right, that is a possibility. I am open to that. Many may not be open to that. I thought this was useful. That's pretty much it, guys. Short video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. 35. The last thing that we'll do, just to kind of show you how relevant a per tab is, let's take a look at the GME chart, and let's look at the monthly candles. I want to show you something. The per tab also happened in GME. Okay, okay, so you see it right there. That's the per tab. Or if we kind of zoom out, I don't know if you guys can see that. I located the very large consolidation range. Remember, guys, I'm always looking at the big stuff, right? It's better when you zoom out. You see a lot more. From all the way down to $3.77 approximately. You find that level, okay? And then it goes all the way down there. And then, boom, you get the breakout. All right, monthly candles we're taking a look at. And after you get that breakout, of course, you get the per tab. All right, we'll just play it out for you here, so we'll all see that. I think it's pretty obvious, but I just like playing with my little what you call it here, my little play back thingy. All right, so as it's playing, you're going to notice the market breaks out of that consolidation range, and when it breaks out, it just simply gets a back test of the previous level of resistance. By the way, if you're new, that's all we go over: support, resistance, and patterns. We located the pattern. The previous level of resistance on GME can be located right here at this level. It's like 63. It could be a range like 63 up to like $56. Just call it like 50 up to $60. You seen that? Boom! Look at that big move. Wow. That was the short squeeze. That was the actual short squeeze. Maybe there's another one coming. I don't know, guys. Here's a per tab right there. You see it? Boom! Right there. That's, hang on, it's close. Almost. Right about there. That's the per tab. All right. So that's when the market is just simply finding support at the previous level of resistance. We can get a zoom in here so you can actually see that taking place as we play it back. So that's a per tab, guys. So we may be up against a per tab if there is more selling pressure in the market. It gets really volatile. You see how the market sellers, they push the price back below the previous level of resistance. It's very intense. It makes you feel like the world is crashing. You see what I mean? They just really push it down even more, and then all they do is just kind of zip it back up and close it above the previous level of resistance. You see that big buy order came in, and they just push the price up. It's just a really nasty shakeout to shake a lot of investors out of their shares. So if this per tab previous resistance test after a breakout actually happens, then that would be expected because the markets are volatile. They don't just go straight up. You have to be open to fluctuations. So if that were to happen, here's the AMC chart, guys. Just get ready for a market to try and break below the previous level of resistance, and that would likely just simply present a buy-in opportunity. All right, but please do your research, okay? I'm not saying to buy this if it goes down. I'm letting you know the story behind the price action, the beautiful story behind this instrument, not a thing. I'm not sure why people call stocks things. That's inappropriate when I hear that. It makes me cringe. All right, let's cut the video out, guys. Thank you for listening to the end. Leave an appropriate thumb below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can get this interesting video out to the investors. Also, if you're new, before you go, we cover alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. Kindly subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll send you that information when it is available. Once again, thank you for listening until the end. I appreciate your time. Please always be kind to each other, wherever you are, right? And execute your strategies. We'll talk soon. Hopefully this per tab, hopefully, just know where the per tab came first, guys. I originated that, but we'll see how far it goes, right? All right, take care, guys, and bye for now.